Hi Chacha, how are you? I'm curious. Do you think it's better to be a student or work start away as an employee after graduating from high school?
Hello Della, I'm good. How about you? In my opinion, it's better to be a student first. Higher education can give you more knowledge and skills, which will be useful when entering the world of work. After all, an educational degree can open up more job opportunities with better salaries.
I'm fine too. Thank you. Yes, I agree that education is important. But on the other hand, there are many who say it's better to get started to work. We can get really experience in the field and don't need to spend a lot of time and money on college.
It's true that experience is important, but if we enter the world of work without sufficient education, we may be limited to jobs that lack opportunities for advancement. Formal education also provides a strong theoretical basic that is difficult to obtain only from experience.
But aren't there many jobs where skills are more important than degrees? Many large companies now look more at skills and experience than just diplomas. Apart from that, we can also study independently or through online courses.
That's right. There are companies like that. However, most large companies still see a degree as an important qualification. Formal education also help us build professional network that can be useful in the future.
That makes sense, but I feel we can start working first to find out what we are really interested in, then decide to continue your education. Many also feel that going to college without knowing the X purpose is a waste of time.
Maybe it depends on each individual. If you already have a passion or clear goal, going straight to work could be an option, but in my opinion, continuing education still provides more definite long-term benefit.
I also see many of your friends who, after graduating from high school, went start to work and now have stable careers. Meanwhile, there are those who go to college but are confused after graduating because they feel their knowledge is not relevant to the world of work.
That did happen, but we must also see that formal education teaches you how to think critically and analytically, skills that are very important in many jobs. And usually, college graduates have a greater chance of advancing to managerial position.
Yes, I understand that, but still I feel the direct work experience can provide a more real picture of what is needed in the world of work. Maybe the best solution is a combination of both. For example, studying while working.
That combination is ideal. We can gain work experience while still pursuing education. Apart from that, many college programs are designed for employees, such as evening lecture or online lecture.
Agreed. So maybe it's a best for us not to be to rank in choosing between being a student or an employee. The important thing is that we continue to learn, but at lunch and at work.
That's right, Della. Everyone has their own path. The most important thing is that we know we want and try to achieve it, either through formal education or direct work experience.
Yes, the important thing is that we continue to develop and learn. Thank, thank you, Chacha, for the chat. I have a clearer view of this.
You're welcome, Della. Be enthusiastic whatever your close is. We can definitely be successful in our own way.
Cheer up, cheer up to Chacha. We must continue to try and find the best way for your future. By the way, what do you think about working as an employee at Unpam?
In my opinion, working at Unpam is quite challenging but also provides many opportunities. The academic uh, environment is dynamic and we have the opportunity to continue learning and developing, but of course, there are also challenges.
I agree that working in an academic environment can provide many opportunities, but in my opinion, one of the challenges is the fairly high work. Many employers have to take care of various administrative tasks at once.
That's right, the workload can be high, especially when approaching the new semester or exams. But on the other hand, it also teaches you to be more efficient and organized. I feel if we can manage our time well, everything can still be overcome.
Yes, time management is key, but sometimes is feel the pressure from superiors is also quite high. The targets that must be achieved often make us feel stressed. Have you ever experienced something like that?
Yes, pressure from superiors can something be stressful, but I try to see it from the positive side. This pressure can be motivation and to make you work better and achieve bigger target. Moreover, if we feel the burden is too heavy, we can talk to our superiors to find a solution.
That's right, communication with superiors is important, but I also feel that the facilities and support for employees at Unpam can still be improved. Sometimes we lack education, tools, or means to complete the job effectively.
This problem we often face, but I heard that management is working to improve facilities and support for employees. In the meantime, we can try to find ways to work more efficiently with what we have.
Yes, hopefully there will be a fix as soon as possible. I also feel the work enforcement at Unpam is quite competitive. Many employers compete to get recognition or promotion. How do you deal with it?
Competition is everywhere, Dela. I try to focus on work and improving myself rather than thinking too much about the competition. That's why I can work more calmly and remain productive.
That's a good perspective, Chacha. I sometimes go too influenced by competition and feel pressure. Maybe I should learn to focus more on myself and my work results.
That's right, Della. We must remember that everyone has their own path. The important thing is that we do well and continue to develop. Recognition and promotion will come along with our performance.
Yes, you are right. I will try to focus more on self-improvement and work results. Lastly, what do you think is the most rewarding thing about working at Unpam?
What is most valuable, in my opinion, is the opportunity to continue learning and developing. The academic environment provides many opportunities to take part in training, seminar, and even future studies. In addition, working here also allows you to contribute to the education and future of the younger generation.
Totally agree, Chacha. I also feel the working at Unpam provides many opportunities to learn and develop. Apart from that, seeing students who have achieved success also gives satisfaction.
That's right, Della. We have to stay enthusiastic and keep trying to give our best. That's why we can feel maximum satisfaction and self development.
Cheer up. Thank you for the discussion. I feel more motivated and ready to face challenges at work.
Cheer up, Della. We must support each other and continue to try to give our best. We can definitely face all this challenge.